great pleasure in introducing to you Brother Sadiko Sahali, was selected by his lodge to be its master for the ensuing Masonic year.
Is it known that Brother Sadiko Sahali is well skilled in our ancient craft? He is zealous in his regard for the interest of our order, and is duly qualified to discharge special duties of the Master's trade.
It is well known that he is all this, most worshipful Masonic officer. This certificate, vouching for his proficiency in the ritual of our order, is evidence that he is well skilled in our ancient craft. I find him to be of good morals, true and trusty, and as he is a lover of the fraternity, I doubt not that he will discharge his duties with fidelity and with honor.
Worshipful Sir, the brethren of this lodge, reposing confidence in your integrity, in your zealous regard for the interests of Masonry, and your ability to discharge the duties of the Master's chair, have chosen you to occupy that honorable position during the ensuing year. Are you willing to accept this important trust? You will then face the brethren, the lads. Brethren of bongao, lads number 288, you now behold before you Brother Sadiko Sahali, who has been duly elected to serve this lands as worshipful master, and who is now about to be installed. If any of you has any reason to urge why he should not be installed, you will now make it known, or forever after hold your peace. My brother, you will face these. Worshipful brother, hearing no objection, I shall most cheerfully proceed to install you in the dignified and honorable position to which suffrages of your brethren have called you, not doubting that the dignity of that oriental chair will be well preserved in your keeping, and that the interest and welfare of this lodge may be safely confided to your church. Before commencing your investiture, however, it is necessary that you should signify your assent to those ancient charges and regulations which point out the duties of the masters of the lodge, and on which no account are ever to be neglected or departed from. You will be conducted before the altar. May I request Very Worshipful Elmet K, past District Deputy Grand Master, to deliver the ancient charges and regulations.
The ancient charges and regulations of Master Masons are the last master as follows. 1. You agree to be a good man and true, and strictly obey the moral law. 2nd, you agree to be a peaceful citizen and cheerfully to conform to the laws of the country which you reside. 3. You promise not to be concerned in plots and conspiracies against government relation innocently to the decision of the Supreme Legislature. 4. You agree to pay a proper respect to the civil magistrate, to work diligently, live with integrity, and act honorably by all men. 5. You agree to hold in veneration the original rulers and patrons of the Order of Masonry and the regular successor, supreme and subordinate, according to their stations, and to submit to the awards and resolution of your brethren, when convened in every case consistent with the Constitution of the Order. 6. You agree to avoid private tics and quarrels, and to guard against intemperance and excess. 7. You agree to be cautious in carriage and behavior, courteous to your brethren, and faithful to your lodge. 8. You promise to respect genuine brethren, and his countenance in apostles and all dissenters from the original plan of Masonry. 9. You agree to promote the general good of society, to cultivate the social virtues, and to propagate the knowledge of art. 10. You promise to pay homage to the Grand Master for the time being, and to his officers when duly restored, and strictly conform to every edicts of the Grand Lads or General Assembly in Masons that is not subversive of the principles and groundwork of Masonry. 11. You admit that it is not in the power of any man or body of men to make innovation in the body of Masonry. 12. You promise a very regular attendance on committees and communication of the Grand Lads, on receiving proper notice, and to pay attention to all the duties of Masonry on convenient occasion. 13. You admit that no new lodge should be formed without permission of the Grand Lodge, and that no countenance should be given to any regular lodge or to any person clandestinely initiated therein being contrary to the ancient charges of the order. 14. You admit that no person can be regularly made a Mason or admitted a member of any regular lodge without previous notice and due inquiry to his character. Finally, 15. You agree that no visitor shall be received to your lodge without due examination and producing proper vouchers of their having been initiated in a regular lodge. These are among the regulations of free and accepted Mason, and to these your assent must be freely given.
These are among the regulations of free and accepted Masons. And to this, we assent